Hello everyone. Today we will mention about centroid calculations for 2D shapes. We can learn how to find the centroid coordinates of x and y. To find x, we use x1 times a1 plus x2 times a2 plus blah blah xn times an. 1, 2, 3 to finite. The n means the partial shapes of our main shape, figure. Also, the second formula is y equal y1 a1 plus y2 a2 plus blah 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 and plus yn an 2 over total area. We will use these two formulas to find the centroid of given figure. For example, find the centroid of the given figure. The question asks the centroid of figure. First of all, we use 0, 0 is our origin. Moreover, we add here x and y coordinates. This is x and this is y axis. First of all, we divide our figure. If our figure is given U shape, it means we have three figures that we can draw, which are three different rectangles, like this. First of all, here is 10 millimeter. Here is also 10 millimeter. We call it first shape, second shape, and also the third shape. 60 millimeter here. And also here is 10 millimeter. Moreover, we can find this length. Here is 10, here is 10. Also 50 minus 20. It is 30 millimeter. Now we can find centroid. 1 and 3 are the same shapes due to symmetry. x1 times a1 plus x2 times a2 x3 times a3 over total area. Here is origin 0, 0. The first shape has an area a1 is equal 60 times 10. It means 600. Moreover, its x coordinate is 5. 5 times 600. The second shape is here. Here is 30. Now, we use these x coordinates. It means 10 plus 15. It is 25 times the area of the second part is 30 times 10. It is 300. And last shape, it has a centroid x coordinate here. It means 10 is here, 30 is here, moreover 5 is here. It is total 45 times the area is equal 600. Okay, total area 600, 300 and 600. We find x coordinate is equal is 25 millimeter. Y coordinates y1 times a1, y2 times a2, yt times a3 over total a. Here is the y coordinates. We also calculate our areas. The first shape has a coordinate here. Y coordinates is, it means 60 over to 30 millimeters. 30 times 600. Second shape, y2 is equal 5 mm times 300. Last shape is also the same as the first one. Y1 and Y3 are equal 30 times 600. Okay. Divide total area. The total area is equal 1500 millimeter square. We find here y is equal uh, 25 millimeter. To conclude, our centroid is equal cy 25 and 25 millimeters. Okay, let's go our second question. Here is C-shape beam. We also find the coordinates of centroid. We divide our shapes like another three rectangular. We can divide the shape like this, or alternative one is okay, this is the alternative one. But I prefer the first shape. Here is our 30 millimeters. Here is 36. To find here, we have 120 minus 36. It equals 84 millimeter. 180 millimeter height. Moreover, it is equal 84 millimeter. Here is, we can call first shape, second shape, and third shape. Okay, let's calculate x prime. x1 a1, x2 a2, x3 a3 over total area. Our total area will calculate easily. It equals a1, a2, and a3. x1. Okay, let's check. It is over x1 here. 36 over 2, it means 18. A1 is equal 36 times 180 plus x2. x2 is here. It means this length is equal x2. Here is 36. Moreover, we have this length 84 over 2. It equals 42 millimeters. It means x2 is 36 plus 42. It means 78 millimeters. Times our second area is equal 30 times 84. Okay, let's check our third one. Third one is the same as the second one. It means we can write like this times 2. Because x2a2 and x3a3 are the same. Hence, we use two multipliers here. Okay, total area 36 times 180 plus 2 times 30 times 84. Now first we can calculate here or directly write the results. It equals 44.25 millimeters. Now our second part is y prime coordinates. For y prime, we use y1 a1, y2 a2, y3 a3 over total area. Okay, let's start with y1. Y1 is here. It is the half of 180. It means 90. 90 times 36 times 180. This is A1. This is Y1. Plus, we use Y2. Y2 is here. It equals 180 minus 15. It means 165. Moreover, the area is equal 30 times 84 plus the last one. The y coordinate is equal 15. 15 times 30 times 84 over total area, by which mean 36 times 180 plus 2 times 30 times 84. And then it equals 90 millimeters. To conclude, we found our x and y coordinates of centroids are 44.25 millimeter and 90 millimeter here. Okay, let's continue with our last question for today. I have a trick here. Also, I can use tricks for second and first question, but I will show it last question. First of all, we draw our axis, y and x-axis, which are shown in the figure. These are x and y are x and y axis. This figure is symmetric. Symmetrical with respect to a axis. It means centroid of x is equal 30 millimeter over 2. It means 115 millimeter. For example, for this question, also the y coordinates, x coordinates, we can find here, but it is symmetrical with respect to x-axis, as shown in the figure. Where can I find? This figure is symmetrical here. It means our y coordinates is equal 90 millimeter. This figure is also symmetrical with y-axis. It means our x coordinates is half of our edge of square. It means it equals 25 millimeters. To conclude, we found here x coordinates directly. Moreover, we can find our y-axis with respect these three rectangular shapes, which are these are the shapes of our rectangles we can divide. We can say first shape, second shape, also third shape. It equals 30 and 25 equals 25 and 100, 25 and 100, 75, 25, 100, 25, and the last shape, 75. For our question, y equals y1 times a1, y2 times a2, y3 times a3 over total area. For this shape, second and third shape are the same rectangulars. It means we can write a1 times plus 1a times 2a over total area. As a result, y1. Okay, here is our length, 125 millimeter. y1 is equal 12.5 millimeter here. It means 112.5 millimeter times area is equal 300 times 25 plus 2 times second shape has a Y coordinates of centroid is equal 50 times 125 is RRS divided by total area. It means this is A1, 7,500 plus 2 times. These are A2 and A3. It means 2,500. Hence, we calculate our y coordinate is 87.5 millimeter. To conclude our solution, x and y coordinates are equal. Our x coordinates is found 150 millimeter, and also our y coordinates prime is equal 87.5 millimeter. Thank you for your kind attention. Have a nice day.